Happy birthday to you.
He wasn't going to be on.
I didn't know it was going down right now.
Yeah, I didn't either. Oh my God.
Oh, Leslie, let's see. Let's make a spot for Leslie.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll bring the other one. I'll bring the other one.
Oh, yes, I like that.
Sawyer, you want some cupcakes?
Oh, yes.
Like the sun is in the way. Man, Richard, what'd you do? Put your phone through the...
Dang, what's
I know
that?
the case. He said I think it's probably okay for you to get in your case now.
Is this the style?
Oh,
Whoa,
yeah,
whoa,
you like that, huh? Whoa. Yes, he takes after mommy. That's good, huh?
Look at his smile.
Yummy.
Hopefully it's just a shadow.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
All right, kiddo.